nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders.
Like this tutorial,
like moving
subscribe.
boulders just to get out
Like,
of the
comment,
home. It sucks,
and share with
I've
friends.
had enough.
Thanks for
I don't
watching.
wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
If you like this tutorial, subscribe,
in my head,
like, comment, and share with friends. Thanks for watching.
I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but
If you
let's
like
be
this
really
tutorial,
real, anxiety
subscribe.
can foggy all this
Like,
stuff.
comment,
It
and
sucks.
share with
We
friends.
finally feel
Thanks
like
for
giving
watching.
up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get
If
some
you like
energy.
this
Gotta
tutorial,
find someone who's a good
subscribe.
friend of me. I need purpose
Like,
to make it all
comment,
worth it.
and
I'm
share
still
with
searching
friends.
and I'm still
Thanks
learning.
for
I want a
watching.
life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from